Hello everyone, this is Kate from Awakening Your Abundance Creatively, and I'm doing some little short videos around affirmations and why they may not be working for you. So this is the second video I've done. I just grabbed one of my little tags that I made that goes into the beautiful little journal. And this one is things are always working out for me. So I just want you to truly sit with that and ask yourself, how do you feel when you hear that statement? Things are always working out for me. Is that more of a, that's crap, it's not true, no it's not, but it's something you would like to be true? You would like ease and flow in your life, but at the moment you don't have it. When saying that, it could bring up, tightness in your chest, and all the subconscious fears and worries are at the back of your mind. And it's quite counteractive when you do say an affirmation like this and you're feeling those feelings. So the best way to get around that is by breaking it down. And what I mean by that is, if your affirmation, the end goal is too unbelievable for you or does not resonate with you, is off your vibrational scale, and I will explain that later in another video. If it doesn't feel right when you say it, basically, you can reword it and then adjust as you go. So, for example, this one, things are always working out for me. You get a knot in your stomach. No, it's not. Crap happened yesterday. I've got this crap happening at the moment, blah, blah, blah. So you can reword it to, I am now in the process of believing things are always working out for me. Or, I am willing to believe things are always working out for me. So that's saying it may not be happening at the moment, but I'm willing to believe that it's possible. So you're sort of opening the floodgates of your allowing. So when you're looking at that and it's, no it's not, you're just really constricted. But I'm willing to believe, or I'm in the process of believing, things are working out for me. It sort of relaxes it more and allows more good to flow to you. And when it relaxes you more, your feelings are better, higher, and you will be aware of more things flowing to you that are benefiting you. So really take that on board. If it doesn't feel right, reword it into, I'm in the process of believing, whatever it is. And then once that feels really comfortable, then you can drop some of those words off and amend it again. So I hope that helps with your affirmations. Thank you for listening, and I will see you soon. Bye.